What's up, guys? It's Friday afternoon. I got off work a little bit early, so as you can see, we're snow covered. I gotta clean off the ice, so we are ready to skate tomorrow. So clean it off, flood it, then tomorrow, maybe if I can get my hockey net out, hopefully it's not frozen in, but if I can get it out, we're going for a skate tomorrow. Either way, I'm skating tomorrow. I just want to have a net to shoot on. We'll see. Stay tuned. Let's get started. What's up, guys? So it is first skate time. I got to get the bonfire going. You can see the net in the background, or maybe you can't. There's the net in the background. So I'm gonna get this going. I got a firebox with paper, wood on top, easy to light, and then I go inside, grab my gear, we skate. You guys ready? Damn. Play some hockey. So the first skate was a success. The ice is fairly smooth. It's got a couple rolls in it, but that is because it's on uneven ground, because it's an old school way of building an ODR. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys stick around, tune in for the next one, subscribe, like, leave a comment, all that jazz. And yeah, now it's time for my family and I to just enjoy the bonfire, a couple pints, and yeah, relax. This has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.